people might not have the strength to do it. Like in construction, it's very physical intensive, right? And this is a good entry for robots, I think. And it could happen as early as, let's say, May this year or June. That's just my prediction, because people might start to make noise. People in the industry like constructions and various industry that have a lot of foreign talents. That's what we call them, right? Or those working with work permits of immigrants or migrants, and you might not have enough service staff, right? And when those start to have complaints, petitions, unions making noises, is it possible that Elon Musk might just loan these robots to them, right, to solve the situation? And when people start to get familiar with it, start to loving some of the features these stuff can provide, example, no off, no sick day, right, etc., etc., could people way of working start to switch as well?